Okay, our last section will be our lattice section. You can see by making yarn overs, we're going to create these little holes. So it looks almost like a fence lattice. So what I've done is I've done one repeat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to knit 2 together. Knit 2 together as normal. Then we're going to create a yarn over. And the way that we do a yarn over is you bring the yarn to the front between the needles, like when we purl, and we're going to wrap it around the right hand needle and bring it back to the back. So you'll see we've made this little loop here. And then we're going to knit 2 together again. And then we bring our yarn to the front between the needles, and we go around the needle back to the back, so we've made a loop. And we're going to knit 2 together again. Okay, going to make another yarn over, so bring it to the front and around to the back. We're going to knit 2 together. Another yarn over from the front, around the needle to the back. Knit 2 together. Again to the front and around the needle. Okay. Knit 2 together. We're going to go to the front and around, and we're going to knit the last one. The next row we're going to knit. Rows 2 and 3 we're going to knit. So you're going to knit the first stitch like normal. Okay, you'll see your next stitch is kind of just hanging there. We're going to knit that as if it's a real stitch. So we knit. Okay, go into the hole and knit. Go to the next one. Okay, we're treating these yarn overs as if they were stitches. And because they're not anchored, they're going to give us that big hole, which is what we want. Okay, I'm just going to continue knitting all the way around until we get to the end, and then we're going to turn. Okay, and you'll see that our holes are there. Row 3 you're going to knit again. Row 4 we're going to purl, and that's how we do it. So again, to show you the yarn overs, you knit a stitch or knit 2 together, and the way we make our yarn over is we bring the yarn between the needles to the front, and then we bring it around to the back. And the same works as if you're going to purl. However you're doing a yarn over, it's always between the needles to the front and then around your needle. Okay, and you hold it there, and then you would knit the next stitch. Okay, and that's how you do a yarn over.